Hey everyone, it's Dave from Train Day, and today I'm going to show you how to create some safety training super easy. We're going to use our Chrome extension and some AI from Train Day, right? So here we are at trainday.io, and I'll show you what we're going to use. We're going to use this right here from OSHA and the Department of Labor, right? Showing you some risk of cold stress, hypothermia. It is very cold, so this is useful training, right? So I'm going to go over here to our extension, and I'm going to say workplace safety. And you can see it gets all this data from the site, which is relevant data. And we're going to use this data. And now we're going to select kind of like a sample template that's going to create some samples for us that we're going to choose from. I think we're going to go with something like this. And now we'll just wait for our samples to get generated. Here they are. And we're just going to select from one of these. Okay, so these look pretty interesting. And we'll go ahead with something like this right here, right? Click on that. Now it's going to create our content. It's going to give us more presenters, create more slides, more titles, and also add an interactive quiz, which is important for us to use in our own LMS, or if you want to export it as a SCORM package to use in your own learning management system and track all your learners' retention, right? So when this is done, it'll be about 85 to 95% of our desired outcome. And that's exactly what we're looking for, right? So it looks like our course is done. We'll get out of this and we'll go over to Train Day. Go ahead and log in and go to our courses. And here we have our course. So we'll click on that. And here we have all our different slides. You can even check it out right here in a preview. Let's edit this one just a little bit. Let's make this text right here and maybe put the presenter right here. And let's check a preview of our course.
Welcome everyone to our training on maintaining a safe and hazard-free work environment. Today we'll focus on understanding cold stress.
So that's it, we got it right there, and we even got the quiz. And like I said, everybody can take the course right here. You don't need to do anything else except generate the rest of your slides. But for this one, let's say if we want to just change our presenter right here. Let's say maybe we wanted somebody that was closer to utilities or something. Boom, we'll grab them like that, bring them over here. Maybe put our text right here. Right here, there. Move our guy right here, text right there. Maybe we'll generate the script real quick. This will give us, the actual video script that we want and a video slide that we want that we can use in our LMS. If you want to export it, I'll show you how to export it to a PowerPoint or SCORM, and then you can use it in that type of format, or even just download the slide yourself, right? So here's our slide.
Cold stress occurs when the body loses heat faster than it can produce it.
You can see right there, that's already done. So even if you go back to your preview now, you see both videos are generated, right?
Cold stress occurs.
And you could still even edit it just like that. So we could take this person right here. Maybe if you want to move them up, move the text down a bit, right? And if you refresh your course, you can see that everything is moved, updated dynamically, right?
Cold stress occurs when the body loses heat.
So that's it. Once that's done, if that's good enough for you, you can go ahead and add your learners right here. That's it. And then track all their progress in your overview right there, right? Once they're done, they'll get a certificate. You can also download the certificate and just keep track of everybody's learning and everybody's retention. So thanks for watching. Can't wait to see what you build with Train Day, and I'll see you next time.